Hi my dear friends, I'm just gonna share with you a signature that I made for a swap. I'm in a Facebook group which is called Paper Art Happy Mail, and we're making signatures every month, and this month's theme was Australiana or Australian nature. Signature is made with just 2 A4 pages, and they could be any kind of paper, designer paper or just coffee dyed paper. This one is made just from it's a bit of recycling. I just use the very old white sheets, and I just colored them with a bit of water and acrylic paint. That's the one. I firstly tried to use food coloring. Unfortunately, it doesn't matter how many minutes I kept it, the color wouldn't stain. But with acrylic paint, I think I just had a very nice result. Throughout my signature, I used a number of public domain pictures that I found on the internet. It's a stamp that I've made myself, a little bit of bling. It's a pocket. There are some stickers inside with Australian animals. Just a bit of decoration, a bee and lavender. A few pieces of handmade ephemera, a pocket made from baking paper and napkin, and a tag I've made using paper napkin again. Some lovely birds called kookaburras. A pocket at the bottom. This page has a beautiful image of koala that I found on the internet. Little Australia buttons that I've made myself using cameo silhouette. These eucalyptus leaves I just find out somewhere in a garden, and I drawn a bit of on a paper, colored them and cut them out, and then glued it on a paper. On this page, it's a pocket made out of book pages, which has a few images of Australian plants. It's another pocket that I've made from a tutorial that I saw on YouTube. I apologize, I don't remember name of the channel. Some sewing, and these are die cards that I've made with my silhouette myself. It's a flowers from gum trees. A few more stamps, handmade. A flower with a little crochet dolly. On this page it's a bit of collagen, again with kookaburra on it, and a gum tree flower and a real gum tree leaf. This page has a bit of purple and butterfly. I've made a tag with some real bougainvillea flowers. And it's a pocket made out of the old envelope. It's a beautiful printout postcard that I've made using public domain image of kookaburra from vintage book. On the back is printout of vintage postcard. There is also a tag that I've made, and with a lovely image of gum tree, flowering gum tree. excessive flower of this tree. And on the back there is a tag made with some paper napkin, backed with some music paper. This one, it's a journaling card, and I used distress ink to make this an stencil that I've made myself, and I'm giving it to Marion, ladies that I'm swapping with. So I use distress ink and I just use some stenciling technique to make this tag. It's another pocket, and I'll just also show you what I'm giving away. Some die cuts of Australia made from maps pages, some images of Kookaburra. If you spare ones to color out, and a couple of them I already colored myself. This digital stamp I've made myself. I'm just giving negative copy to be used for stenciling, and these are the gum trees colored with distress ink, and some watercolored leaves that I cut from watercolor paper, so my small partner can color them and use some way in journaling. And then it's a nice envelope that I made for Marian. I hope she likes it. Thank you.